Are you? Winning number 7 red. Most important question. Do you have kids and are you married? Top 5, well done. It's 7 red was our section. 400, no kids and not married. Dumper. Dumper. Don't even go there. Just dumper. Andy, 2022 with 5,800 euros. 474 total. The bets are closed. Good luck. Mate, I'll tell you what, I had a few offers from other ladies and I, like a king, 22, 26, like a god, I said no. I said no, thank you, darling. I'm happily married, but thank you for the offer. All right, so chain numbers 1, 7, 16, 19, 23, and 35. 700x on 7. And the winning number is 7. Red double the bubble with 700x. Get in. I can't believe the top win is 35,000 euros. Wow. Stella 731. Vámonos, mi chica. Naz, Mo, Ewan, 7,000 win, 8,000 win, 9,000 win, 303 lightning winners, 520. But I know we need a 1,000x. That's nice. It's Me gustas tú. Me gustas tú. Me gusta la montaña, me gustas tú. Winning numbers 28 black, it's was our section. Hive number 3rd as in first column. Shab, Diblin, Jeg, winner. Well done. And I'm hoping for a big 2000x, to be honest. Or at least 1000x minimum. Top 5, well done. Bets are closed, no more, and good luck. Come on, big juicy one. 1000x at least. Let's see what we got. 8, 23 and 30, 100x on 30. Come on, we need a double strike. It's not very good at the moment, it's just dry, man. We're going for a dry spell again. Winning numbers 19, red was on section, second dozen, first column. The hottest number still, 19. Mo, Loizo, Juggy, Nick LV. I'm from Belgium. And JPM. The other guy, he asked me, you didn't hear at the beginning? This gentleman asked me to say about myself, and yeah. I'm half Greek, half Belgian, born in Africa. 0, 11, 100x each. Good luck. I grew up in the UK. Oh, we're Belgian, but you got some roots. Your name doesn't look very Belgian. Yeah, I did, absolutely. I grew up in Wemmel. Wemmel, yeah? Speaking the Netherlands. Winning numbers 17 Black Orphan section, second dozen, second. I don't really speak Flemish anymore. I used to when I was young. Macedonian, I was going to say your name. Looked a bit from the Balkans. Well, I'm half Greek, half Belgian, see? You are half Macedonian, half Belgian. Hey, hey! We're brothers almost, my man. Bets goes, good luck. No, he wasn't. You're not far wrong there, Jivan. You're very close. He wasn't a sailor, he was a pilot. 17 with 100x. And the winning number is 32 red. Shemin wasn't 17, the only one we had. 32 red, hyper number was our section, third dozen, second column. Yeah, my dad was a pilot actually. And I was born in Kinshasa, which is basically Zaire, which doesn't exist anymore now. It's not called that. It still exists. It's just called DRC. For those of you who know Africa a bit, I'm sure a lot of you probably don't. Yes, correct. Let's go. Good luck. Now it's the Congo. Yeah, DRC, Democratic Republic of the Congo, which is on the other side from Brazzaville, which was the French colony. We were the Belgium colony in Kinshasa. 5, 9, 27, 100x on 9. Double strike on 5, 700x. Oh, close, man. Close. 5, man. Why not 5, dude? Alright, winning numbers 30, red chest section. So, do you speak any Greek? I know a lot of Macedonians actually speak a lot. They can speak Greek. Not all, but a lot of them. Top 5, well done. Deb, Sayan, Lemonade, Dambarai, and Yojik. Top 5. 474 total winners. Let's go. The bets are closed. Lightning and good luck. Alright, we've got 0, 16, and 36. 150x on 16. Alright, good luck, peeps. The video number is 2 black. It's a lower number of voice section. Oh, it's really bad, guys. It's really bad. I bet my colleague's going to come and she's going to start dropping multipliers. Obviously, we're having dry time now. Eventually, it's going to give in. Albu, Olucia, 151, and Dilip, top 5, well done. Yeah, I know Moon Blue. It's alright, mate. Well, you have your freedom of expression, right? Let's close. Good luck. At least I'm leaving that to you, mate. So, I mean, I'm cool with it. I don't know about the mods, but that's between you and the mods. 8 with 100. All right, good luck. Chair numbers 7, 19, 22, 31, 32, and 36. 219. Double strike on 8. Oh, 600x. Let's go with 8. Come on, big juicy one before I leave. 8, 8, 8. No, go back. What's that? Oh, phew. My check, yep. 13 and 19, 100 extra 19. Chair numbers are 1, 16, 21, 27, 30, 32, and 35. We've got double strike on 13 and 35. 700x on 13. Come on, man. What? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. 13, right? We wanted 13. 11. 11 landed. All right, Albu, Faze, Pedro Navaja. And Geg. Top 5, well done. Oh, yeah. That was brutal, man. I feel bad for you guys. The bets are closed. Good luck. 6, 10, 11. 100x on 6 and 10. Come on, give us a big juicy one. Maybe next spin. The reading number is, and again next door, unbelievable. Come on, man. We need some multipliers there. It's 27 red chest section, third and third column. UAE, yeah, Yellow Habib, come to Riga, my friend. Naveen, Smolcha, and Albu, well done. And the bets are now closed. Good luck. What? How many next spring? I don't know what that means, mate. 4, 10, 12, 100x everywhere. Chain numbers 0, 3, and 18. Tell you what, Esh 730. I don't understand what the question means. 600x double strike on 0. Alright, the reading numbers 14 red orphan section. Second as in second column. I don't know what you want me to tell you, Esh 730. Who won confirmed number? That doesn't mean anything, first of all. Who won confirmed number? Explain what that means. Yes, hey, Moon Blue, hey. Is it a blue moon, yeah? And the bets are closed. Lightning, good luck. Alright, this is going to be my last one probably, guys. We got 1, 7, and 30. 100x on 7 and 30. Alright guys, I hit a baby one. Little 100x on 30 red chest section. Third dozen, third column. Emily's going to take over. Thanks a lot guys. Love you all. Kissy kissy. Bye bye. See you next time.
Enjoy. Alright you guys. Hello there everyone. I'm back again. It's me here, Emily. Yes. We'll be your host for this session. How about to say here, all here. How's it going guys? How's it going? How are you feeling? This beautiful, wonderful Sunday? That's closed. Good luck guys. And let's see lucky numbers for this game. Okay, ready? We have 3 lucky numbers, 0, 1, and 3, and 150 x 1. Alright guys, number 34 this time, even high number from third dozen. Thank you. And congratulations to all the winners, 465 winners in total. And let's continue first if you wish. Welcome everyone, hello there, welcome to the Extreme Lighting Rule table. and wish of course good luck to guys the next winning number where the ball will land. Enjoy too. Of course guys, enjoy you too. Okay, YouTube. Let's close, good luck. Alright. Welcome back. Thank you. Moon and Blue, hey, how's it going? We have one hour X and one. Guys, ball letter 15 black, so odd low number. Yeah. Okay, thank you for game. 458 winners in total. Congratulations. And if you would like to continue the game, then place your bets. Of course, wish you good luck. So betting time is yours. You're welcome. And of course, I wish you all the best and good luck. So yeah, give us something. What exactly? Something. First of all, I can't give you anything, guys. I can give you only good emotions. Actually, guys, bets are closed. My apologies. Okay, let's select it first. 02, 31, 32, so 200 actually. Double strike. Number 16 this time. Yes, thank you for this game. Even low number from 2,437 winners in total. Congratulations. And let's continue, of course, if you wish. Betting time, guys. Feel free. Yeah, try to guess what the number will be next. Yeah, you can place your bet there, or you can use some additional bet. Like, you need to guess the section, column, dozen, color. Yeah, that's a close. Color. Sounds quite similar. Okay, guys, lighting numbers is here, and we have 0, green, 2, and 10. 2 power action 0 and 10. That was 5. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, number 24 this time, even high number. 442 winners in total. Congratulations. Let's continue first if you wish. Elbow, Nick, Vidi, complicacy, guys, top 3 winners. Let's continue first if you wish. It's always by your decision, guys. If you feel lucky, you want to try luck once again, then feel free. And don't forget, we're here for fun, guys, right? So, bets close. Wish you good luck. Now, let's see what we have now here about the lighting numbers, right? So, we have 12, 16, 22, and 100 action 12. Ladies and gentlemen, number 11 this time, old low number for dozen. 496 winners in total. Betting time is yours. Feel free, guys. You're welcome. And hello there, guys. Do you know, by the way, today in Riga we have some kind of running marathon. Do you like running, guys? Questions for you. Questions of the day. If you didn't got it yet. Yeah, this is the questions of today. So, guys, bets are close. I wish you good luck. And let's see what we have in here. The lighting numbers. Alright, we have 2, 21, what are reaction to? Alright guys, now we got it! 2 lucky numbers is here, ladies and gentlemen, with 100x. So, betting time is yours. 248 winners with 100x multipliers. So, 488 winners in total. It's still a complicated top winner. Good job. Let's continue first if you wish. So guys, how are you doing today? Let me know. Don't be so shy. Chat options available for you. So, actually, bets are closed. Wish you good luck. And let's see lighting numbers for this round. We have 6, 18, 22, 100x for 6 and 22. Guys, number 23 this time. All high numbers from Second dozen. 562 winners in total. Betting time is yours. Go free. And that will be rise. Complex series of winner. Let's continue first if you wish. Guys, first like in the simple rule table, yeah, this game is really similar. The main object of the game is still the same, you know, to guess where exactly the ball will land. What kind of winning number? Hey, that's a close. Good luck. This was so fast. What's happening? Okay, let's see, guys. What we have is 12 and 90. 100 X for both. Like number 10, number 40, 29. 200 X. And that was striker 11, 600 X. And ladies and gentlemen, number 20, the winning number for today's round, even high number, sorry, 508 winners in total. Congratulations and welcome. If you would like to continue, then place your bets. Of course, wish you good luck. Okay, guys, so feel free to place your bets. Wish you good luck. How I said before, we still have the same object of the game. You need to guess where the ball will land. Ready? And now I am here. Bets are closed. Good luck. Okay, guys, let's see lucky numbers. We have 7, 22, 500 action 22. Lucky number 5, 6, 180 action 28. And guys, ball landed 14. Even low number. From second as the 504 winners in total. Congratulations and welcome. If you would like to continue the game, then place your bets. Of course, wish you good luck. So betting time is yours. Yeah, feel free, guys. You're welcome. Place your bets. You can also place your bets in any other options, but don't forget. Yet our lucky numbers works only with straight up bets. Bets close. Good luck. Let's see what we have in here. Lucky numbers, so 25, 26, 34, 150, action 26. That was right. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, number 15 this time, all low number from second dozen. 490 winners in total. Congratulations and welcome. Place your new bets, please. My game, Lucy, and the latter count, please see guys, the top 3 winners. And let's continue first if you wish. Betting time is yours. Yeah, you're welcome. Of course, wish you good luck, guys, to guess next winning number. And that's close. Good luck. Let's see, guys, the lucky numbers. What we have during this round. We have 7, 8, and 33. So 100 X 8 and 7. Ball and a 5, old ball number from first dozen. Thank you for this game and congratulations to all the winners. 536 winners in total. Congratulations. And let's continue first if you wish. Betting time is yours. I'll be counting series of winners and let's continue. So, guys, any plans here for today? I have some plans. Probably back home, you know, make some workouting, have some training, you know. That's a close. Good luck. And probably then we'll learn my lessons. Yeah, have some lessons to learn. Okay, lucky numbers, we have 12 and 32. 100 X for both. X 22 and 5. That is right. Hey, we got lucky numbers. Look at that, ball landed 22 with 100x. Betting time is yours. 225 winners with lucky numbers. Boom. Nice, we got it. Look at that. Congratulations, teleconference to top winner. And let's continue, guys, of course, if you wish. Yes. You're welcome. So, that's closed. I wish you good luck. And let's see lucky numbers. We have 90, 28, 55, 100 extra 28 to 35. Alright guys, number 13. Old low number and a hot number. 440 winners in total. My congratulations and welcome. If you would like to continue the game, then place your bet. And of course, I wish you good luck. So, I'll be confident to top winner. Yeah guys, if you wish, then more than welcome. By the way, I would like to remind you your hot numbers. It's 90, 32, red, 30, black, 23, red, and 0 green. Bets are closed. Good luck. And let's see lucky numbers what we have during this game, ladies and gentlemen. So, 8, 21, 27, 72, 100, X, 21, 27. Number 34 this time, even high number from third dozen. 486 winners in total. My congratulations and welcome. If you would like to continue the game, then place your bets. Of course, wish you good luck. So, how's it going, guys? Welcome there, everyone. How doing? Hi there, newcomers. Don't be so shy. Chat options also available for you, so feel free to use it. Yeah, you can say at least hi to me. It'll be really nice. Bets close, good luck. So, let's see letting numbers what we have in there in this game. So it's 19, 22, 24, 100 action 24. 27, 100 action 280. And ladies and gentlemen, number 36 this time. Even high number from 30,000. The highest number on the group. 539 winners in total. Congratulations. Let's continue first if you wish. LM complex to top winner. Alright, let's continue, guys. Of course, if you wish, betting time is yours. You're welcome. And welcome newcomers. Hi there. How's your Sunday? Any plan? Don't be so shy, guys. By the way, if you want to have some chess, that's a close conversation. I mean, you can use autoplay options. In that case, you'll have more free time. And let's see lighting numbers. 32, 33, 100 X for both. Bowling activity, even high number from third dozen. Thank you for these rounds. And 504 winners in total. My congratulations and welcome. If you'd like to continue the game, then place your bets. Alright guys, betting time is yours. Feel free. Don't forget it. Guys, don't forget about the autoplay options in right bottom corner. Somewhere there should be. In that case, you really will have more free time during the betting time. Your bets will place it automatically. Bets are closed, and any moment, of course, you can change it or something, or even cancel the options. Don't forget the lighting numbers. We have 70, 20, 24, and 100 X for all of them.
red. Also, the 0 section. First column, second dozen, odd and high number. There's a high number, right? Well done, 1,011 winners. Just had one race in third dozen, which was 36. Well, did you scare away the dozen of the third? Well done, winners. Don't worry, it happens sometimes. Betskos B might scare away the things that we want. Cup out. 2 strikes. 15 and 22. What's that? 500x for 15. I see ya. Number 12 red. Also, the 0 spiel sections. Third column, first dozen now. Congratulations to 949 total winners. It's still the time of the bettings here. Wow. Wow, just the time of that opportunity has arrived. Well, how do we react to that? Is there a particular thing in our minds that we might want to try out? Bets are closed. Perhaps our brain is stating something important. 3 strikes. What's that? What's that? 8. Shiny 19, 24. 5 hundo for 19. for black. Well, that happened. Also, the 0 section, first column, first dozen hot number. 869 winners right next to it, huh? Okay, roulette. Okay. Well done, winners. Well, whoever does get a win, right? No matter what happens, even if it isn't a multiplier, someone wins, someone loses. Just the life in roulette. Enjoy the wins, people. Bets are closed. What's this, though? What's that? 3 strikes. We got 10, 16, and 26. 200x for 16s, all right. Number 2 black. Also, the 0 section. Second column, first doesn't even a low number right now. It's just chilling on the low end of the spectrum. Enjoy the wins. It's betting time again. Yes, again, I tell you, it happens. It occurs. Time passes by, and then we have to move on. Because the roulette game does that moving on thing a lot as well. Bets are closed. Especially these numbers. You see, they've moved on. And we have new things to experience. 3 strikes. 4, 6, 18. All 50x. There's 22 black. Also, the 0 section. It is a first column number. Helpless. Enjoy the wins. Do you like those first column things? Betting time. Maybe the brain does like that, maybe not. Right? The brain has the potential to like and dislike many things. Bets are closed. What's that? What there's? What that? Who that? Who that? 3 strikes. 0, 16, and 27. 100x for 0 and 27. $24 black. There's the Tieta Solana section. 1,130 total winners. There's more even Stevens. 5 of them back to back. Well done, winners. Betting time. That's like the things. The numbers are like soldiers standing in line. Or bets are closed. Maybe it's like waiting in line for food stamps to get paid out. 3 strikes. 17, 25, 32. 100x for all these ones. Five red. Tieta Solana section. Third dozen is gone for an eternity still. This one's first dozen, yeah? Second column. Enjoy the wins, people. Betting time again. And hello, joiners. You. Hello again. You. And you, all of you. Welcome. Tell me, why in the world are almost a third of the numbers from Roulette gone? Poof. Wow, where is it? Where are they? Bets are closed. Whoa, what happened? Kapow. 3 strikes. 14, 23, 30. 200x to 30 is looking pretty good. There's 36 red. That's the Tieta Solana section. Third column, third dozen hot number. Congratulations, 1,048 total winners. Betting time again. It's that bet slappity slap time. Yeah, boy. Or no, boy. Depends. Depends on how you're interpreting a lot of things. Bet's closed. 3 strikes. 6, 13, 26. 250x for 13. 200x for 26. There you go, gamers. 200x again. That's our third 200x. Not to mention we have 150x. Whoa. Whoa.